a little ride in the old Cosy. We're just going to so I've got a little bit of a cough. So up here we got cows. This is Rodborough Common, and it's they're allowed to bring cattle on here for the whole of the summer, and I think it's to the end of October, which isn't too long. I can smell burning. I think that's from outside. So I know I haven't made a video for a long time, but I might have to stop because I smell something burning in here. I think I'm going to turn around and go home. If it persists, might have been from outside. So this is a car that hasn't been on the road for some time. I think it's gone now. Must be a bonfire somewhere. Coming from outside. Right. Okay, so on here you've got to be careful not only of cattle but of golfers. So there's a golf course on this part of the common, this is Minchinhampton Common. As I don't think see over there, 3 golfers. I've been up here when the raining has been horizontal, and there's still people playing golf between the cows. Alright, just next behind me got an old Morris 1000 split windscreen. There's a very early one. Crossroads, and this crossroads is actually called John Long's Post. Apparently years ago there used to be the gallows here for hanging people, and I think the last person to get hung was John Long. Well, it sounds good. I don't know if it's any truth in it. A crowd of walkers. I was going to say a gang, but it's probably more of a crowd. Over there, all somewhere I've never been before, so we're going to see what it's like. Buildings around here. This is the Bell at Sapperton. Somebody rather walk in the road than out. Right, let's go around this way, shall we? Very interesting. This is a really old Cosworth village. Give way than scratch me car. Thank you for watching this video. It's great to be back. My knee is still giving me a little bit of grief. I went to see a doctor or the surgeon after 6 months, and he said it could be a year to 2 years before I'm going to be absolutely pain free. So you know, I can't kneel down at all at the moment, so looking forward to when I can work on the car. I've got a few little things I may be able to do. I've got to give it an oil change and change the filters on it, so that needs to be done. Other than that, all I can do is drive it around, and to be honest with you, I don't like driving it out in really nasty weather, but it is still taxed and insured, so I can drive it around anytime I want to, MOT'd as well. Okay, so please subscribe and leave a comment, that'd be helpful, and press the thumbs up. Bye for now, and I'll catch you in the next one. Better. My goodness, what a difference. This is a different car. I appreciate everybody that's supported me on this channel, everybody that's subscribed, everybody that's given me a thumbs up, everybody that's left a comment, and everybody that shared my videos. So thanks again, and catch you in the next one.